Blooming Butterfly, a fun-filled, interactive, and engaging series. It's time to learn the letters. Let's go! Let's learn the letter A. Say it with me. A. The sound is A. 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 Say it with me. A. A. A is for ant. A. Ant. A is for apple. A. Apple. A is for alligator. A. Alligator. You can do it. Say it with me. A. Alligator. Ant, apple, alligator. Let's go and see what the alligator is up to. Wow, that's beautiful. A happy alligator is carrying the ant and an apple. Can you see it? Can you point towards the big green alligator? Isn't it beautiful? Can you see the apple? Yes, you're right. It's on the ant's back. Where is the ant? It's on the alligator. A happy alligator is carrying the ant and an apple. Can you point towards the ant? Yes, you're so right. Can you point towards the apple? What color is the apple? Red. Yes. So let's see what we have learned so far. We have learned the letter A. Let's see what we have next. Oh no, looks like the ant is lost. Can you please trace the ant's trail so it can eat the apple? You can do it. Trace the trail with your finger. Help the ant reach the apple. Do it with your finger, please. Yes, that's great. You helped the hungry ant eat the apple. The ant looks happy now. Hello, I'm an alligator. Can you please draw my eyes so I can see you? Yay, you did it! Now I can see you. We have successfully learned the letter A. Are you excited? Do you have 3 pencils? That's great. Count with me. 1, 2, 3 pencils. Now place the 3 pencils in such a way to make a letter A. That's great. You just made a letter A. Let's meet in the next video to learn the letter B. Until then, take care. Bye.